my channel, and today I'm in Subway Surfers, and so today when I die, this video will automatically end. So let's hope for the best and I don't die. So actually what I meant is after 5 rounds of losing. So we got some more rounds and let's hope we win. Let's go for it. This is the last round, guys. I guess I'll do one more round, I guess. Let's go. This is absolutely not